goodness.
Did you just quit?
No.
Where are you then?
Where are you? Oh my goodness.
Oh no, I'm left in the respawn. Are you right there?
How did we survive that plane crash?
Oh my god, bro. It's a fucking story, bro. It's not real.
Where you at, Mario?
I'm right here, look.
Oh, I see you. Okay. Uh, yeah. Next time, do never fly a plane. Okay, you follow me, I guess.
We can't run. Oh no, no.
Wait, what the? Oh,
What happened, bro?
oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Okay, we can finally run, I think.
Why my screen like that?
Press right bumper to sprint. What you mean to sprint?
Hey, yo, Mario, I'm getting scared, boy.
How can you fucking, oh my god, bro. You can't run.
Yes, you can.
Oh, there you go. I can finally run.
I'm scared, Mario. Shall we follow the lights?
Think so. Should we?
I think we should.
Look out. They're right here. Red light.
I think we're lost.
You think?
I'm positive we're lost. Or should we just follow the trail?
Let's just follow the trail, see what happens.
Alright, Mario, I'm trusting you.
Hmm.
Okay, I see light.
Me too. It's a base. Let's get in here, huh?
Where you at? Are you in the tent?
Yeah, I'm inside the tent.
Let me see.
Man, hold on. Some of my stuff's still another crab, bro.
Alright, come on.
Oh, let's just go. Look, let's go in this one.
Where?
This one. Oh my god, did you just lose me? Okay, right. This one. This one has vents.
I thought this game was scary. There's nothing scary about this game.
Oh my god, I just found a dead soldier.
Where? Oh,
And this one, oh my god. Oh damn. Holy shit. Holy moly. Okay, I guess we have to follow the red trail, bro. Come here, bro. What's the red trail?
over there.
Okay. Let's try to go. Wait. It said there was one mission that said get to the fucking jeep. I think we have to get to the fucking jeep. So let's just not. How can we get in the jeep? You're in the tower.
Yep. Alright.
Okay.
Mario, piss off.
What the fuck?
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna die because of you.
Yeah, it's a jeep. That's a jeep right there.
Hey, Mario. Hey, wait. Hey, Mario, we should. Mario, get into the Jeep. Oh, fuck.